Okay, so that is the meaning of transformer transistor. Transistor means to transfer the current from low resistance region, such as we saw that there are three regions in a transistor: collector, base, emitter. Collector size is larger than three regions. This is collector for example, and a base is very thin, and a base is lightly doped. Okay? And this is emitter. Emitter size is small, but it is doped heavily. It has large number of carriers. For example, if it is NPN, then electrons are concentrated more here as compared to uh, collector. Collector has moderately doped, okay? And a base is a very thin region. It has very low concentration of majority carrier. If this is N, P, N transistor, so the base has very low number of concentration of the majority carrier. Okay, for example, it is p-type material, so it has small number of holes. So we also studied about the transistor action. So in transistor action, so we have two junctions. One is base emitter junction. This is base emitter junction, and this junction is base collector junction. Okay, and this is base emitter junction. So both junctions for transistor to work in ordinary mode, base emitter junction and a base collector junction, this must be forward biased, and a base collector junction must be reverse biased. Okay, so we also discussed it is action, how it acts. So to act it, we also said that there is, this is for example base, and this is collector, and this is emitter. Okay, and if we want to make it for normal mode, then emitter base junction must be forward biased. To make it forward biased, because it is NPN transistor. Okay, so this must be supplied with positive voltage, and emitter must be supplied with negative voltage. Okay, so we make this junction as a forward biased, and another battery we connect with collector to make it reverse biased. Okay, so it is connected with positive. N type material is connected with positive side of the battery, and this is connected with negative. Okay, so here there are three currents. One is base current. So when we supply voltage, IB current. So for example, when we apply the voltage, there are large number of charge carriers that are in emitter. So emitter emits these charge carriers. If we have it emits electrons, large number of electrons. So mostly electrons which come when it is forward biased, this base emitter junction is forward biased, mostly electrons pass this base region is very thin, and they are collected by collector because collector has reverse voltage, and a few electrons they come to the base terminal, and these electrons are make up a current that is known as IB, base current, and the current that emitter makes that is known as IE, and the current that collector collects is known as collector current IC. So we said also IB is input current and IC is output current, and here are two voltages which are applied. One voltage is at this VB, there is VB means input voltage, and other is CE means voltage between collector and emitter. VCE, that is known as output voltage. Okay. These were terminologies we discussed, and today we will discuss three regions of transistor: cutoff region, and a saturation region, and a active region. So for example, if we have a transistor, this is transistor, this is symbol of transistor. So this shows this is sign of emitter, and this is collector. So this is base. Okay. So this is emitter, base, and a collector. Okay. So collector, for example, there is a resistor that is connected with mostly with all transistors to protect from the damage, because we require a less amount of current. So this is RC, resistance at collector, and another resistor is also attached with the base region that is known as RB. Okay. And a emitter is made as common to both terminal. Okay. So this is known as common emitter configuration. Okay. Because the emitter is made common to both output and input. If we want to connect, for example, we can make is like this. We can take here V output, and a V in. Okay. So this voltage is VB, and this voltage is VCE. Okay. And we also said that there is a current gain of a transistor. Current gain of a transistor. And the current gain of transistor is shown with beta. That is given by IC over IB. Okay, means base current, which is input current that we give, and we get an output current, that is IC. How many times that IC is greater than from IB, that is known as current gain. Because you know that transistor is used as the amplifier. Amplifier means to increase the amplitude of a signal, strength of a signal. So there is current gain. And we also discussed that IE, emitter current, is equal to IC plus IB. And we also said that the small base voltage that is about 0.7, or small base current controls the current between collector to emitter. Collector to emitter. Okay, so that IB controls current between IE and IC. Therefore, we call transistor as a current control device. So you can control current by the help of IB small current. Okay. So these were characteristic of transistor. So the beta DC, there is beta DC that we discussed. Beta DC. Okay. So beta DC, that is current gain. Okay, that is given by the manufacturer. Its value is usually from 20 to 200. Okay, it is ratio, it has no units. Okay, so it is values usually from 20 to 200. Okay, for example, we have a transistor. So we connect here, and voltage of source voltage of VCC, we provide here 5 volts. Okay, and we have here RB, and here it is emitter. Okay, and we ground it. Okay, and we take output from here. Okay, and the voltage that is they dissipated at this resistor, that is RC. That is RC, the voltage at dissipated at the resistor RC, and we take input from this. This is VC. Okay, And for example, we have three situations. One is cutoff region, cutoff region. In cutoff region, if VBE, base emitter junction, is less than 0.7 volt. So if VBE less than 0.7, it means base emitter junction is not forward biased. Okay, if that is not forward biased, okay, so it means IB will be equal to 0. If IB is equal to 0, then IC will also be equal to 0. Okay, and the output voltage at this VCE will be, because IC is 0, therefore there will be no voltage in RC. Okay, IC is 0, therefore VC equal to the source VCC. For example, we give it name as VCC, that will be equal to VCC, means 5 volt. Okay, so that will be the situation when we have cutoff region. In cutoff region, transistor is off.
सर
Yes,
सर VCC क्या चीज है?
VCC means the voltage that is applied at the collector.
Okay sir.
So that voltage that is at collector terminal. So VCC and there is a difference between VCE. VCE is output voltage. VCC we apply, okay, that is at collector. Okay, so there is situation of cutoff region. In cutoff region, whenever base emitter junction is less than 0.7 volt, so IB base current will be 0, IC will be 0, so transistor will be in cutoff situation, means off. Okay, and a second situation, in second situation we draw the same diagram. For example, this is we draw the same diagram, and this is we have also here a transistor, the resistor. So this is, for example, collector, and this is RC. Okay, and this is VC. Okay, and here we can also put RB. Okay, this is RB, resistance at base terminal. So now we give it arbitrary values. For example, we are discussing the situation when VB is greater than 0.7. Okay, so when VB is greater than 0.7 volt. Okay, so when VB is greater than 0.7 volt, we know that every transistor has a current gain. For example, we define beta for this is 100. Okay, so for example, it is beta current gain is 100. Okay, so VB is greater than 0.7, so it will have some IC. IC is beta into IB. Okay, So that is current gain. So this is active region. In active region, transistor work as a amplifier. So in this region, it amplifies the current. Amplifies current. So for example, first our IB is 10 microampere. Yeah. First IB is 10 microampere. Okay, and here it is 5 volt, and RC is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, we take these arbitrary values. So if IB is 10 microampere, so IC will be equal to 100 multiplied by value of IB. The value of IB is for example 10 microampere. So this will be IC will be equal to 1 milliampere. Okay, so you got IC, value of IC is 1 milliampere. So IB was in microamperes, and IC you got in 1 milliampere. Okay. So now we want to calculate the voltage dissipated in RC, means at this point how much voltage is dissipated, because you know that IC and RC, so you know you can find the VC voltage drop at that resistor, that will be IC RC, and that will be equal to uh, IC is equal to 1 milliampere, and RC is equal to 1 kilo ohm. Okay, that will be 1 volt. 1 volt is dissipated at this location. So only the remaining 1 is dissipated, so 4 volt is remaining at the VC. So VC will be equal to 4 volt. That is our output voltage. Okay, and now we change the IB current. Okay? So we increase VB, and we get, for example, IB as 20 microampere. Okay? For example, we take it as microamp IB 20 microampere. So IC will be equal to 2 milliamp. If you can calculate, okay, so this will be 2 milliamp, and VC will be 2 volt. Okay, and VCE will be equal to, if 2 volt is subtracted from the 5 volt, that will be 3 volt. Okay, and again we carry out another experiment, and we say that IB equal to 30 micro ampere, and IC will become 3 milliamp. Okay, and a VC will become 3 volt. Okay? 3 volt, and a VC will become 2 volt. Okay, and again we change the experiment. We take IB is 40 micro ampere, and IC will be equal to 2 milliamp. Okay, and VC will become 4 volt, and VCE will become 1 volt. Okay? 1 volt, and again we change experiment. Okay? So we say that IB, take IB is 50 ampere, 50 microampere, 50 microamp, and IC will be equal to IC will be 5 milliamp. Okay? And VC will be equal to 5 volt, and VCE will be equal to 0. So after this current, when you will increase, now you cannot increase IB more than IC more than this 5 milliamp. Okay, even if you increase the IB, the IC will not increase. Okay, because VCE output voltage becomes 0. Such situation is known as saturation. This is known as saturation. So in saturation, you get maximum current. So here it is maximum current 5 milliampere, and you get output voltage 0. That is VCE 0. So in saturation region, current IC is maximum. Okay? And VC output voltage is equal to 0. Okay, and it is independent of IB. Base current. Even if you change IB, it will not affect the current at collector. So such situation is known as saturation. In saturation, the transistor is on. It works as a on. Okay. So